From the Mementoes and English Martyrs for Every Day of the Year by Henry Sebastian Bowden. October 15th, A Prophecy Fulfilled. Father Thomas Bullaker, OSF, 1642. The President now asked me how I had dared to break and repudiate the laws of the country. I answered with the apostles, "Judge you if it be just in the sight of God to obey you rather than God." Sir William Cowley, my old schoolfellow, said, "You know, Mr. Bullaker, it is said, 'Fear God and honor the king.'" "I know it," said I, "and I know also that the Parliament, which made it treason to be a priest, did also by law establish the government of the church by bishops, the common prayer, and ceremonies, all which in this present Parliament you oppose." "True," said he, "but why may we not amend what is ill-ordered before?" "This," said I, "is what you attempt, but know for certain that a Parliament will come, and that the very next Parliament that shall sit, in which that religion which you now pretend to establish will be rejected and thrown out." He answered that I should never see that day. I replied, "I know that the time of my dissolution is at hand, but what I have foretold will certainly happen." It did so, for after the rump was dissolved, there was no legal Parliament till the Restoration.